This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, a Bose stereo system, commercial-free satellite radio, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a rear stereo, audio anti-theft protection, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.